Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed to end the day. All four major indices closed higher, with the Russell, S&P, and NASDAQ all ending up about 0.5%. The Dow Jones closed up around 0.4%. Taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, all 11 S&P 500 sectors ended in the green, with real estate closing just over 2% higher. Communications was the laggard, closing up just over 0.2%. Now looking at some stocks on the move, AMD reported third quarter earnings and fourth quarter guidance after the bell. The company beat on the top and bottom lines with an adjusted EPS of 70 cents and revenue of $5.8 billion. Now for the fourth quarter, the company sees revenue between $5.8 and $6.4 billion. Consensus is for $6.4 billion. The company commented that it expects to see strong growth in data center and continued momentum in client, offset by lower gaming sales and softening demand in embedded markets. Shares of Caterpillar initially jumped higher after the company beat earnings estimates, but then turned negative, sending the stock sliding nearly 7%. Although Caterpillar posted a profit beat, a backlog drop and light sales outlook offset those gains. Sales rose during the quarter thanks to higher prices and the additional equipment that Caterpillar has been shipping to its customers. Biotech stocks Catalent and Sarepta plummeted today after disappointing drug trial results. Sarepta Therapeutics was down over 37%, falling to its lowest level in almost 5 years after its late-stage drug trial in kids ages 4 to 7 failed to reach statistical significance, while Catalent fell almost 14% due to its exposure to Sarepta. Sarepta now plans to seek the U.S. FDA's update for the expanded use of its therapy in other age groups. Let's take a look at what to watch for tomorrow. On the economic front, MBA Mortgage Apps reports at 7 a.m. Eastern Time, and JOLTS and ISM Manufacturing come at 10 a.m. Eastern, followed, of course, by the FOMC rate decision in the afternoon. For earnings, we'll see Norwegian Cruise Lines, CVS Health, and Wayfair before the bell, and PayPal, Airbnb, and Etsy after the close. That'll do it for the wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.